It is.
Welcome.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Please have fun.
Thank you.
Please drink a lot. Please eat a lot.
So we made it on board. We're in our stateroom.
This is very nice.
Yeah, very nice. We had a pretty seamless check-in. We had to wait a little bit longer for a COVID test than we anticipated, but wonderful team member with Virgin Voyages named Ruby made sure that we got through and got on board. So we dropped off our bags, and then we, because we're Rockstar, we after we did our COVID test, we went to a special section to get checked in, and then we came up to the third level of the terminal and waited there for a while, and then Ruby made sure that we got our test results, and we came on board. Nice welcome onto the ship.
Yeah.
I would say kind of like a chill welcome. Everyone here so far is excited to see us, and they're saying welcome aboard type thing, welcome. And so far, all the crew that we've come across have been very friendly. So
yeah, super nice.
Kind of a very relaxed vibe, and it's not like other ships or the ships that I've been on where you come into kind of a grand foyer. It's more of a they call it like the circle or something, but it's almost like it feels a little bit smaller. I don't want to say quaint. I want to say more like you're entering a yacht, which is what we've heard about this. Is that it feels more like you're on a yacht, which I'm down to be on a yacht.
Yeah.
But we're going to give you a quick room tour here, and we will show you around on the Scarlet Lady. Okay, here we are in our cabin aboard the Scarlet Lady. As you enter here, this is kind of your storage area. They have kind of an open closet with a curtain, and then they have a place for you to put your bags. They have top storage here too. Let's see, some more storage down there. And in here, there's even more. This is kind of like a wardrobe with your locker. There's some towels there. I think these are towels. I don't think that they're robes. Yeah, those are towels. And then some drawer system. So a decent amount of storage. I think this will do fine for us. We're on a 5-night, so I think we'll be fine. We will step in here in a moment. But first, we'll take a look at the bathroom. Actually, this is my first look at the restroom. I haven't even stepped in here yet. There's the commode. There I am. Hello. And we're stepping in, and it looks like actually a decent size shower, and it's a step-in shower. You don't have to step over into a tub. Very nice. My experience is Disney Cruise, and on Disney Cruise you do have to step over into a tub, but this is a stand-up shower, solely a stand-up shower, and you just walk right in. And there is a rain head, love that. But it looks pretty spacious in there definitely for a cruise ship. I know some people have said these bathrooms are a little bit small, but it looks like it's going to do the trick. It's compact, but it looks like plenty of space. I like that there's storage under there for a toiletry bag. It looks good. There's a nice station for cups and stuff. Looks like it is well designed in terms of organization. So now here is the cabin, the main part of the cabin. These rooms were designed so that the bed actually can convert into a couch. Looks like they're no longer really setting it up in that way, but if you request, they will switch it over to a couch for you. When we entered the room, it was a bed. So very nice. These lights, you have individual control. You just flip them on and off. But all of like the accent lightings here, behind the mirror, those are all controlled by a tablet, which I'll show you. TV is off right now, but that's controlled by the tablet over here that I'm going to show you. Very nice. I closed the curtains because it was super bright. A nice little seating area, table area here. And this is the tablet. So this controls the light, the temperature, everything in the room. Very nice, controls the TV as well. Kind of like a one-stop shop here. You have a little desk here if you need to get ready. There's a little stool there as well. Some additional storage here. And then we have a fridge in here, and I don't believe they stock it with anything. I think it's just ready for you to use, and that is correct. They don't stock it with anything, which is fine by us. In case we had brought in wine, which we didn't bring this time, but you are allowed 2 bottles per cabin of wine, but we didn't bring it this time. All right, and then the nice thing about Virgin is that they replenish your water. So there's 0 water bottle plastic use here on board the ship. So very nice. And they have glasses for you, and our room attendant will refill these daily. And you can also get sparkling water, which is nice. All right, so we are going to use here the tablet to open the curtain. I'm just trying to read here, make sure I press the right thing. Oh, here we go. There we go. So I press the little button to open, and it opens all by itself. Very nice. And TJ's out here hanging out. So we'll come out. But I think it's a decent size balcony. They do have a hammock. The hammock is hanging there. We haven't tried it out yet. It was a little wet from them spraying down the ship, so we're letting it dry out. And then there's 2 chairs here and a little table. We are on the 14th deck here on the Scarlet Lady, and we have a great view of the port of Miami. And that is the room tour. So very nice. Excited to sail away.
we're headed to dinner.
Yeah, we're going to the Wake, which is considered Scarlet Lady's steakhouse.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go enjoy some steak, maybe?
Yeah, let's do it.
See. Alright, so all of the menus are on QR codes. So they have a little coasters on the tables so that you can scan and see the menu. TJ's looking at the menu now. This restaurant is beautiful, by the way. Alright, so we're starting with bread service. Comes with a seasoned butter. She told us, but I forgot already. It looks really good, right? Mm-hmm. And there's like a spoon in it. We're ready to dig in.
So I started off with the wedge salad, and then Brian got the clam chowder.
Yeah, so it started with the clams here in the middle, and then she poured over, but we weren't quick enough to get the pour over.
No.
But it was a nice it's a nice presentation.
Yes, and then we already dug into the bread, and it's really good.
Is it? I haven't tried it yet.
It's good. That was a lot, but it was good.
Okay. All right, so we have our entrees. I got the filet mignon, and TJ got the shrimp and grits. Right now, it's just looking like tomatoes.
It's in there,
but we're gonna have him dig into it, and we'll show you what it looks like. And then our sides are the French fries, as well as twice baked potatoes. TJ's gonna dig in and show us.
So it's like baked in there.
Okay.
So how's it?
It's very good.
Mm-hmm.
It's very good, and the sauce is very good. All right, so we got a dessert. I got the baked Alaska. Very nice, very pretty presentation. And then TJ got the lemon cheesecake, right?
Yes.
And he's going to attempt to do a break open of it. It looks like maybe a hard shell. Yes, it is. Very nice. Spin around a little bit towards the camera. Yum. Alright, we just finished dinner. We're walking around the ship just to kind of digest our food.
Yeah, take it all in.
It was really good.
Mine was good. Mine was meh.
TJ didn't like his because
mine was
it had a lot of tomatoes, and TJ's not a huge fan of dishes that lead heavy with tomatoes. So I tasted his. I thought it was good. The flavor of the grits was good. It was a little bit more like polenta, I would say.
More on that side.
Yeah. But my steak was really good. The sides were really good. The French fries
were
really
seasoned
good.
very well.
The desserts were good.
Something other than good.
Something other than good. The potatoes were cheesy and creamy. Yeah. The twice baked potatoes and the French fries were crispy on the outside and well seasoned. We are trying to get better at not just saying good. So we're reminding each other of not always just saying, "Oh, it's good."
But overall, for the first dinner,
success.
Yes.
I really like the idea of booking your dining here like a regular restaurant.
Right.
Like, so you make a reservation at the restaurant, and you can make it. You were able to make it in advance, and it was nice.
Wasn't busy.
No children, and right now the ship seems pretty quiet. So I don't know if it's capacity or if everyone's just busy in their corners of their ship, but it seems like we have a very large yacht to ourselves.
I'll take it.
We'll take it. So first night is a success with dinner. We're just gonna keep walking around and exploring the ship a little bit more and showing you guys what Virgin has to offer.
Yeah, and we'll see you tomorrow.
How is it? Yeah, I know.